Good morning, Chris. This is Alex here at Terry & Henricks. Going to give you a quick walk around of the Summit, give you an idea of the vehicle's overall interior exterior condition. Being a 19 certified unit, you can anticipate it's going to be pretty excellent, but not to say it's entirely free of cosmetic impurities. Certainly needs a bath. It is currently being driven by my business manager, Chad Henricks. However, you know, a quick sprucing up will get the bugs off. That's no problem. Only cosmetic impurity coming to my eye is light. Let's see if I can focus on that. Light cracking of the paint right there. Pretty minuscule. Otherwise, again, as I make my way around here, no excessive dents, dings, scrapes, scratches, anything of that nature. Give you a nice profile. You can see wheels as well. Check out, no curbing or anything like that. All windshields, windows, a-okay. All sensors have been repaired. Well, there was only the one sensor that needed the repair, but all of them are in working condition. Keep making my way around here. As you can see, no glaring cosmetic defects, impurities on the hood, no major stone chipping. Pop onto the interior here for you, and I'll also go ahead and start raising it up so you can get a view of what that looks like. Interior condition is great. No rips, tears, punctures, non-smoker, so no smoky odors. Headliner's clear. Pop onto the back here for you. Again, same story here in the back. Looking good. Conditionally, some indentation on the seat, but nothing excessive. Little bit of light discoloration there on the rear seat, but very, very small. Seat backs look good. No foot etching, anything like that. Heated seats there in the back. And then we'll give you a view. So this is all the way up with that air suspension. As you can see there, gives you a nice view of how high that gets. And then press that. Can't do it while it's in park. But as you can see, pop onto the screen here, heated, cooled seats, the whole 9 yards, backup camera, high definition, only 28,483 on the odometer. Let me know if there's anything else I can showcase for you. I'm gonna go ahead and put this back in park. I look forward to working with you. Thanks again.